I always felt a lack of a tool in Revit, but this lack has been completed in Revit 2022. And this tool is snap mid between 2 points. If you install Revit 2022, you won't get this tool. I will tell you how to load this tool in the Revit and how to use it. First, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Like and share also. First, let's talk about how to load the snap mid between 2 points tool in Revit 2022. You should open the Autodesk Access application. Here Autodesk software updates come in. You must install the Revit 2022.1.1 hotfix update. When this update is installed, it will be named Autodesk version 2022.1 above. After installing this tool in the system, now let's talk about how to use it. For example, we understand this snap from the Move tool. Select the object you want to move and apply the Move command. Select the point from which you want to move the object. Now press the Ctrl key and right-click for Place the object. Select Snap mid between 2 points in the further drop-down of Snap Override of Context menu. Choose the first point and move the cursor to select the second point. A snap will appear between the 2 points where you move the cursor. After selecting the second point, the object will move between the 2 points. Now we see the same tool for copying objects. Choose Copy tool after selecting the objects. Copy objects by choosing the Snap mid between 2 points tool in the context menu. Place them with the same option. You can see this option and its shortcut key in the Snap tool of Manage tab. There is no shortcut key assigned yet. Go to User Interface section of File tab to assign a shortcut key and customize keyboard shortcuts. Or press K as keyboard shortcut key for it. Now assign a custom shortcut key to the snap mid between 2 points. Now if you look at snap, its assigned shortcut key will appear. Today we discussed the snap mid between 2 points. I hope that you understand this tool. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.